Wow!
Welcome back mga Silingan Kapitbahay Neighborhood. I am Riri Cabrera, ang totoong Raul, and this is House Construction Vlog Episode number 14. Woo! And for this vlog episode, I'll be showing you how Tatay George made our door frames and door panels. Woo! Yeah, although I already included some of the clips on my previous vlogs about the door frames. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it also in this episode because it's like they are related in terms of the panels and the door frames. So yeah. We also decided na si Tatay George na lang gumawa ng mga pinto to make sure na maganda yung pagkakataon. In terms of door panels, these are the designs that proposed by Tatay George to my sister and my brother-in-law, and eventually it was approved by them. And for the main door, it will be like a sliding type of door, and this is the actual frame for the main door of our house, and this is the example of what might it look like kasi lalagyan namin siya ng salamin. And for the bedrooms and the comfort rooms, this is gonna be the design of the door panel that we're going to use, and this is just an example but the door panel is not the same color of this one. And in terms of the door for the hallway, yes, it's gonna be a sliding type, and this is like just an example of it. Tatay George decided to add glass para mas makita kung meron bang tao sa labas or wala. And again, last February 14, we have ordered these pieces of mahogany that we're going to use as a main material for the door frames and the door panels. And in this particular part of the video, it's Tatay George started preparing the mahogany woods as the door frames. Woo! And yeah, he used his machine to cut these pieces of woods, and then right after that he measures each pieces to ensure that everything is in perfect measurement.
Wow!
After that, Tatay George also used this Makita tool for sanding purposes to make it more finer, the piece of mahogany, and also making some hole para mas mabilis matanggal itong kanto ng mahogany kasi dyan i-insert yung piece of another wood para mag-interlock sila. And ito yung sample ng mini-min ko. And this is how it looks like after being connected. And also, Tatay George added some piece of wood at the bottom part. And after that, it was then coated with solignum. And yeah, it was then attached to specific areas where it's supposed to be attached. And after attaching, Kuya Opling secured them with mortar mixture to seal and to make it more intact doon sa blocks, sa wall na pinagkabitan. So most of the door frames have been already attached except for this one. This one will be for this area, which is the main bathroom. Here. This one is the kids' room, and that one as well. This one has been already attached and sealed with mortar mixture by Kuya Opling, and here at the master's bedroom.
Wow!
And that one is the comfort room of the master's bedroom. Yan siya. And by the way, meron pa palang kulang dito banda. Yan dyan. And also this one is gonna be a hallway. And yes, it will be also a sliding type of door as what I have mentioned earlier. And this is the example. Ayan siya. But then here, itong sa may terrace is gonna be a glass type of sliding door.
Wow.
And also here that will be like a glass as well. So and this was the moment when Tatay Joji is about to attach this door frame as the main door, and after that he then coated it with solignum to avoid the insects, I mean the anay, para hindi agad masira yung kahoy. And after that, Kuya Opling was
Wow.
assigned to seal these door frames with mortar mixture to hold the frame. And after adding the mortar mixture, Tatay Joji also attached these pieces of frame for the beveled glass that will hold the pieces of glass as an additional decorative for the main door. Ito yung sample, like what I have said earlier.
Wow.
So after Tatay Joji completed the door frames, he then started working on the door panels for the house. So in terms of panels, Tatay Joji used this kind of machines to make some holes, and also he used these chisels to deepen the hole that he have done earlier. And after that, Tatay Joji also already cutted some pieces of mahogany and it was subjected for sanding. And after that, he also used this kind of makita tool, the milling, to create some
Wow.
edges. I mean, the design for edges. And after that, he also made some wood strips from mahogany that will be attached on these spaces between these panels. Ngayon siya. Ipapasok siya nun sa gitna. And this is the example. Parang ganyan. So, hindi siya kasya. Kailangan bawasan. And also, Tatay Joji used this machine again, the milling, to create a passage where the panels will be attached. And this is the example. And by the way, Tatay Joji used the stickwell glue to seal these strip woods and siya to the panels. Yan. And after that, it will then add another set of panels again. And he just gonna repeat the process until everything is secured na. Yan siya. So ayun na nga, in terms of quick update, yes, our workers still continue to plaster the exterior wall of the house. They have already finished the back part and also the left wing of the house. And last Saturday, they have already started working with the exterior wall sa may right, dito sa may bandang road. So yeah, eventually maybe next week I'll be able to show you the entire exterior wall being plastered and yeah, the spandrel as well. So here are the clips. In this week, one of our worker was assigned to remove the remaining formworks, and after removing them, they were asked to attach and build this scaffolding
Wow.
because they're gonna start to plaster this exterior section of this wall sa may bandang kalsada. And here they are mixing some mortar, and then it was followed by starting right away the plastering on this section. Ayan sila, si Kuya Dante and si Kuya Janjan. While here, sa may loob naman ng second floor, it's Kuya Opling started also plastering. In this area, ito yung room ng mga bata and
Wow.
katabi niya yung master's bedroom. Si Kuya Opling and si Kuya Opyong yung naka-assign to plaster on this section. And after a couple of hours, they're almost done here, sa pagpa-plaster. And also si Kuya Janjan na nagpisa na rin niya yung gilid nung wall na ito. Ayan siya yung naka-red. So yeah. And that includes our vlog episode number 14, mga Silingan Kapitbahay Neighborhood. Again, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to click the like and subscribe, and see you again on the next video.
Baby ko si kulot, inaalis ng aking lungkot. Sa mga ngiti mo ako'y parang hinihigop.